What's up guys, your Biglee here. When it comes to conventional deadlift, you use more of your back power. If you're trying to, hit your inner thighs, or if you're someone planning for a powerlifting meet and your advantage is leg power, then Sumo Deadlift is the go-to choice. The technique is simple. You stand in a sumo stance where your feet are 45-degree pointed outwards. Your legs are quite wide apart based on your height. You squat down all the way until you can reach the bar and hold it in shoulder width grip. I use the alternate grip. As I said, it gives me better grip strength. And you lift your way up, exhale, slowly go down, inhale, exhale, inhale. As you go up, make sure you kick it up with your glutes and thighs so that you can maximize your load. Up and down, up and down. So Sumo Deadlift is a great way to increase the number on your deadlift if you're the one with more leg strength. Other than that, if you're trying to develop your glutes and your inner thighs as a bodybuilder, this is an amazing tool to develop those muscles and bring out the details. Until the next episode, it's your Biglee, over and out.